Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for coming to my presentation. So today we're going to talk about the Canada Small Business Financing Program. It's a very good tool for you to use to scale up your business ventures as well as your real estate ventures. So for today, we're going to divide this presentation into two parts. For today, part one, we're going to talk about what this program is all about, the eligibility as well as the criteria for you as a borrower, what kind of interest rate to expect, what kind of fees, as well as how the security agreement will be set up. For part two, we're going to talk about how this program can help you scale up your business and how you can apply. At the end, I'll be sharing my contact information for your questions and concerns. So this program, the Canada Small Business Financing Program, is designed by Industry Canada. The money is going to be given to you by the bank, but the loan itself is actually backed by the government. So the purpose of this loan program is to make financing easier for you to get. So you can use the money to establish, expand, and also improve on your existing business. And for you to access this program, there are many participating institutions. For example, chartered banks, credit unions, Caisse Populaire, they are all participants in this program. The overall goal of this program is to give affordable loans to business owners, create jobs, and also stimulate the economy after all. In terms of eligibility and criteria, this program is actually good for startups as well as existing for-profit businesses, as long as your gross revenue is less than 10 million. Now, startups, it's known to be very hard to finance because there's no operating history. There's no financial information available either, but this program, you can use that to get your business off the ground. In terms of the business structures, this loan program is very forgiving. If you have a business that's a sole proprietorship, a partnership, a corporation, or even cooperative, this program is good with all of them. But there are several business models, several industries that this program is not good for. For example, farming. Farming, Agriculture Canada does have a very similar program. It's called CALA, Canada Agriculture Loan Act program. It's a very similar program. So if you're a farmer or in the farming business, so check out CALA instead of this program. Place of worship, well, unfortunately, we won't be able to qualify for this loan. Charitable organizations and also not-for-profit organizations cannot qualify for this loan either. Under this program, there are several types of assets you can finance. For example, real estate. So if you are an existing operating business buying a piece of land or building, you can use the funds to do so. You can also use the funds to do leasehold improvements. If you're not sure what leasehold improvements are, go and check out my YouTube, go and check out my Instagram, my Facebook, or even LinkedIn. There's a TikTok video dedicated to explaining to you what leasehold improvements are. You can also use the funds to finance equipments too, for example, heavy machinery, computers, and so on and so forth. Several things you cannot use this program to finance. That includes working capital. You can use this to buy inventory, you can use this for marketing expenses, and you can use this to pay the financing, the franchise fees either. The maximum loan amount under this program as of today in June 2021 is 1 million. Out of 1 million, maximum of 350 can be used to purchase the property or to be used for leasehold improvements. So this is pretty much all for today for part one. Let's just keep it simple and short. If you're interested in knowing more information, stay tuned. Part two will come up soon. Hello everyone, welcome to part two of the Canada Small Business Financing Program presented by yours truly. So for this part, we're going to talk about how this program can help you scale up your small businesses, as well as how you can apply. At the end, I'll be sharing my contact information if you have any questions or concerns. So for the interest rate for this program, you have two options. You can either go with a variable rate or you can go with a fixed rate. The pricing for variable rate is prime plus 3%. So as of today in June 2021, the prime rate in Canada is 2.45. That means if you are taking this program, the interest rate likely it's going to be somewhere around 5.45. So if you're taking a fixed rate, you do have to check with your specific financial institution because different lenders use different single-family residential rates, but the pricing is their single-family residential mortgage rate plus 3% as well. Now for this loan program, there will be a fee involved. 2% will be charged as registration fee, but you don't have to pay this fee in cash. So how we're gonna do it is it's going to be capitalized into the loan. So for example, if you're taking a loan of 500,000, 2%, which is going to be 10,000, will be charged as registration fee. So you don't have to pay anything in cash once again. So instead of you taking 500,000, it's going to be 510,000 as the entire loan amount because now the fee has been capitalized into it. Lenders might charge a fee. Different financial institutions have different policies, but lender fee might be applicable to you as well. It depends on your situation. Now, for this loan to be given out to you, most of the lenders will want to set up a security agreement. They probably will want to register a lien on the assets. Personal guarantee might be required as well. So how this program can help you scale up, set up your business? So first off, you can get a financing, otherwise it's not even available. For example, startups. So startups are known to be very, very, very difficult to finance because there's no financial history, there's no operating history as well. So with this program, startups becomes possible to finance. You can also use the funds to do leasehold improvements. Now, some of the improvements can be very, very expensive. So with this loan program, you can leverage and use somebody else's capital rather than using your own funds. Now for this program, how can you apply? So first off, the first step is to submit your business plan to your financial institutions. So a business plan is essentially a proposal that demonstrates how business savvy you are and also tells the lender that how much market analysis you have completed, how much market research, and what's your competitive edge. And because the lenders eventually, they will want to know how you can survive in this business world and still make a profit to pay them back. Now, for this program, the lenders will do their own underwriting. That means they might have to do credit checks and also site visits if it's a real estate piece, and they will do the administration of the loan. So moving forward, you're still dealing with the financial institution, the lender, rather than the government. In the case of defaulting, if the borrowers are not making the payments, the lenders will realize all the securities as well as the guarantees as well. The third point is very important because different financial institutions have different guidelines for this program. Although it's under the same program, so what that really means for you is if you're being declined by one financial institution, by one lender, that doesn't mean all financial institutions will decline you. You still have a chance to be approved maybe somewhere else. So if you want me to help you with this, definitely I'd be very happy to do so. You can call me, you can email me, or if you're looking for similar contents like this, you can also go on my YouTube, go on my LinkedIn, go on my Facebook and find more similar stuff. Or like I said, just give me a call or send me an email. I'd be very happy to assist you. And so that being said, thank you for watching today's video and I'll see you next time.